Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to improve your performance on a Windows 10 machine. This is a really quick tip that everyone should do on their PC or laptop, and it would really help you with your performance. Okay, so let's get started. First, go to your this PC. Open it. After opening your this PC, right click and click on properties. Go to properties. Then go to advanced system settings. Go to the advanced tab on it and click on the first setting option, that is in the performance. Then select the third option, adjust for best performance. Here there are some changes that you have to make, that is click on smooth scroll list boxes, smooth edges of screen fonts, and animate controls and element inside windows. The fourth one that you can choose if you want it or not, that is show translucent section rectangle. And that's it. This is how you can improve the performance of your windows. It will surely increase your performance by 10%, and it is very noticeable. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share and comment below if it helped you.